Man, I'm in these streets, it's been a long day. Bout to sign this deal and throw it all away. Bout to cop the crib that Dame lost today. Funny, blicking the niggas that slipping. You tripping, no fear, my niggas, we get it. I'm looking down at the whole world through these glass ceilings. And when I step outside, bad bitches with me. Back in my section, twisting that la-la, can't let it stress me. Wake up all asleep to Dizzy Gillespie. Back it up and break it down. She gon' bust it on this dick. You gon' take her out of town. I put ice in my veneers. I put rubies in my crown. Count them stacks and blow them racks. Niggas know who they around.
Bitch, I fuck shit up, then I leave, ho. Pay a car, no, I get some money for that weed, ho. 4,500, blow it, that go double C's, ho. Might go throw a burger back if you tell me please, ho. She gon' throw that ass back, drop that on them real niggas. I'm gon' throw that cash back, drop that on them real bitches. Murder on that pussy, ho. I can't lie, I kill bitches. You gon' get like every bag and every shoe if I deal with you.